Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutia Ananda and I'm from Library A, Biologi 2018. Today I would like to tell you about the resume of the article. From the article, the title is Fierce Lesson That Invasive Fungi Will Completely Wipe Out Hawaii's Iconic Native Tree. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you about what is the fungus was. The fungus was the heterotropical organisms. The heterotropical organisms, it means that unable to carry out the photosynthesis or produce organic material from carbon dioxide and water, because they are not doing the photosynthesis. They must don't have the chlorophyll. And fungus was have a cell wall, so it can be moved or make move like that. So the fungi was have the specific function. One is saprophyte, two is symbiosis, three is parasite. Okay, let's begin with this article. The title was Fierce Lesson That Invasive Fungi Will Completely Wipe Out Hawaii Iconic Native Tree. Okay, I would like to tell you about one fact, that Hawaii red blossom Uhia is tall enough to colonize recent lava flows, but until this summer, the iconic native tree seems doomed because 4 years ago, a native fungus began to kill on the island of Hawaii. And dying trees test positive for the fungus on the neighbor island of Kauai, fueling fears that rapid OHID, or we can call it root, would span the state. The second fact about that in this article was tell about the annual Hawaii Conservation Conference in Honolulu from 24 until 26 July. Lisa Kate, the research from this article, says that she's research plant pathology with U.S. Department of Agriculture that describe difference between the two kind of OHID killers. The first of OHID killers was Ceratopsis leucohia. Ceratopsis leucohia, it can slay trees in weeks by clogging or blocking the circulation the cell. And the second of OHID killers was Ceratopsis huliohia. It can cause the cancer, stroke, and less deadly. And from here, we can also say that Kate determined that OHID Diddler Fungus whereas the less aggressive fungus was the less organic fungus, which is it is infecting trees on Kauai and may have been improved from Asia to Australia. Okay, so from this section about the fungi, if the fungi was damaged for the tree, so how to solve from prevent the tree about that. How to solve the first aerial drone survey confirmed the lab findings. For the past several years, that the trial found by Rian Period and Timo from University of Hawaii find that consists about the drone have a flown camera above the tripods in 40 hectare this drone can easy tracking the disease, which is affected tree turn dark red, then silvery gray as they die. Fact solved number 1. Sylvia reported that ROT or roads spread has greatly solved, and then the number of infected trees has covered between 30% until 40% compared with nearly 2000% in the initial outbreak. And in Hawaii, we also know about the Hawaii was a tropical area, and in Hawaii we can find the volcano. So the lava was included in this era. Another Hawaiian icon, we can call it Kilauea volcano, made it the Ohia the Fungus one, the most damage in Mutia district. Then that area happens to be where this spring lava began spewing out of a giant fissure. Hulk says that lava flows would give the Ohia a chance to recover. Okay, we are in the part of the conclusion. The conclusion from this article was the first, fungi are the microorganisms that have cell wall, so they don't have to make a move, and not an active moving like us human and like animal that doesn't have the cell wall in our circular cells. And the fungi doesn't have the chlorophyll, and it means that fungi was the heterotrophical organisms. In heterotrophical organisms means that fungi is not the first of in cycle chemical food, was the decomposer. It's not the first autotroph like the plant, but fungi can be a decomposer in the chemical cycling. And 2 is some fungus are benefically and other was damaged, like the saprophyte. And the killer fungus was infected Ohia are included to adverse fungi. Even though Ohia are thought to thrive to a new lava but can be done by invasive fungi, and sometimes they are also more resilient. The plant also more resilient. It means that they can infect each other in Hawaii Island. So I would like to tell you about the Firman question, why the Ohia can destroy by lava, and why Ohia can live in tropical, because Ohia is one of the plant who would live just in tropical area, and fungi just can infected and the plant who in tropical area too. And why is lava can destroy? Because the the question was why can the bacteria infect the fungi infect the Ohia, and it's from the lava, because the fungi can survive in in the lava condition, like that. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm from the Ananda. This is the best what I can. I'm sorry that I'm too slow and it was too silently to make this video because I have make this video in hospital because my mother was sick in here. So thank you very